David Yard wants to know, based on your knowledge of the muscle car era and current muscle car resale values, would you consider a Hellcat Challenger to be more collectible in the future over a 392 Challenger or vice versa?
392 as in like an original? Well, no,
Let's
392.
assume yes.
You know, a Hellcat is going to have some collectability, but just a little cautionary tale here. I had a very good friend who purchased every Prowler. Like every year she would buy the Prowler of that year, and sometimes she bought multiple colors, thinking that she was going to get rich. And you know what? If she lives another 40 years, she might make her money back. It's a difficult thing to jump on to a modern muscle car that they're touting, because you have no control of the production numbers, and it could stay up or it could tank. But for usability, hell, I'd go with a Hellcat. They're a lot of fun.